Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The human brain doesn't think in straight lines, it thinks in connections. Every idea in your mind is linked to another idea. The mind map method helps you visualize those links. It turns thoughts into colorful, structured branches. Instead of a boring list, you create a thinking tree. This method was popularized by Tony Buzan. It mirrors how neurons in the brain actually work. When you use mind maps, you think with your brain, not against it. The goal is to organize information in a way that matches your natural thought process. It's one of the fastest ways to improve both thinking and speaking. Every mind map starts with a central idea. Your brain loves visuals, they make memory stronger. That's why mind maps boost creativity and recall. They also make complex topics easier to explain. When it comes to speaking smart, mind maps are gold. They let you plan speeches quickly. You can see your ideas at a glance. You won't get lost or forget key points. Each branch reminds you what to say next. It's like having a visual script inside your mind. Many TED speakers use this technique to prepare. It helps them sound clear, confident, and natural. Instead of memorizing sentences, they remember ideas. That makes speech flow effortlessly. Mind mapping is great for thinking fast in conversations. You can mentally connect ideas on the spot. When someone asks a question, your brain can see the possible answers. That's because mind maps train associative thinking. The more you practice, the faster your mental links become. It's like upgrading your brain's processor speed. Your speaking becomes more logical and dynamic. Listeners feel your clarity. They understand your points easily. And you sound intelligent without overthinking. To build a good mind map, start simple. Choose one core topic, for example, effective communication. Write it in the center of a blank page. Draw thick branches outward: voice, body language, words, emotion. From each, draw smaller branches. Under voice, you could add tone, speed, pause. Under the words, you could add clarity, vocabulary, storytelling. Soon, you'll have a complete picture of your speech. Each branch reminds you of a part of your message. When you speak, you just follow the map mentally. Mind maps are not just for learning, they are tools for creation. You can use them to brainstorm YouTube video ideas, or plan a business pitch, or outline a book chapter, or even map your life goals. The method is flexible for any purpose. It works for both visual and verbal thinkers. You can draw by hand or use digital tools. Tools like Xmind, MindMeister, or Miro make it easy. But drawing on paper often sparks more creativity. The secret is not perfection, it's connection. The more ideas you connect, the smarter your thinking becomes. Mind maps make invisible thoughts visible. They help you see the big picture at a glance. They turn confusion into clarity, and chaos into creativity. You begin to understand not only what you think, but how you think. That awareness transforms communication. You start expressing yourself with precision, and you respond faster in real time. Want to think faster? Practice mapping daily. Choose a random topic, like time management. Make a quick 3-minute mind map. Don't judge, just write and draw connections. Your brain learns patterns through repetition. Soon, it starts organizing thoughts automatically. That's when speaking smart becomes second nature. You'll surprise yourself with your clarity, and others will notice your confidence. That's the real power of the mind map method. In summary, mind maps are not just note-taking tools. They're frameworks for intelligent thinking. They combine logic and imagination. They speed up understanding. They boost creativity. They enhance memory. And they sharpen communication. Every great communicator has a structure behind their speech. Mind mapping gives you that structure. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional, this method works. It helps you think fast and speak smart. So next time you prepare a talk, don't write paragraphs. Draw your ideas. Connect them. Color them. Visualize them. Train your brain to think visually. That's how you turn complexity into simplicity. That's how you speak with clarity and impact. The mind map isn't just a technique, it's a mindset. Start using it today, and your thinking will never be the same.